myself. Take me right back to the start.
Hey guys, it's BlazeMax here, and welcome back to another freaking episode of Sounds of Her Love. So, let's continue. Okay, idling beside the doors to class. Once again, Sari and I are faced with the threat of separation. After what we've been through, facing this sort of predicament is rather comical. She could be sitting around in class right now, 6,000 miles away, all positivity fleeted from her body. Or rather, probably asleep, given the difference in time zone, but the point still stands. I'm honestly glad that she was able to say that we had the chance to tell each other our feelings. I love you, Sari.
What?
You couldn't have forgotten, could you?
No, of course not.
Oh my god.
I love you too.
Jesus. Looking up at me gently with a smile. Her cheeks, as always, stay a deep shade of rose as she is graced by the afternoon's sunlight. Each part of her delicate face lit up by the essence of nature. It's picturesque.
I'll see you later.
See ya. Drawing to an end, once again the class emits the very same sluggish aura, with everyone just about finished for today. Having transferred here not too long ago, it's these very unchanging aspects of school life I become used to all over again. However, there's one thing which continues to surprise. A girl who continues to find ways to make me smile. Joining the mass of students, as always, I make my way out of the class. With various students passing through my field of view, my eyes spot a faint glimpse of golden, flowing braids done neatly with care, topped off with two little red bows. It's not too hard to guess who this person is, moreover knowing she's here for me lightens my heart, even though it was to be expected. Making my way towards her, she lifts her hand to catch mine in view and sets up the very same scenario out of habit. Amber eyes, caught in surprise, matched by a deeply reddened pair of cheeks, with her mouth slightly ajar, trying to catch something to say. She's nervous. She's Sari. Sari.
Good morning.
Wow. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, right.
Oh my god. That voice. That freaking voice. Bruv. Are you okay? For whatever reason, she's acting weirder than normal. It's not like I dislike that awkward side of her, rather, it's truly what makes her special to me. However, from time to time, there's enough of reason to ask questions. Having blurred out her emotions to me just under a month ago, seeing her shell herself up again like this is something strange.
I'm just nervous, is all. You really make me happy.
What the fuck are you so nervous? What? Hearing those words, it's something reassuring. Our love being securely founded, binding us together. I have to admit, you also make me a little nervous, of course. Sari looks on, bemused by my words, stretching my arm out towards her, my fingers jolt her hair aside as I gently flick her on the forehead. Don't feel so bad about it. You make me happy too. Taking the first steps through the corridor with my feet meeting the polished floor below, I begin to make my way outside with school now. Or for the day. So, school is over. Very beautiful. Sari, taking her cue trails alongside me as we wandered through swaths of students heading outside. Together, a couple. Welcomed by a soft autumn breeze against our skin, Sari and I stand beside the school gates in an idyllic fashion. Her having somehow taken grasp of my hand whilst we were walking, being the first to speak up.
Date!
A date? So, what was it you planned on doing, seeing that you asked? It's not like I'd really care in the end, or truthfully, doing anything with her is enough to satisfy me. I'd be fine just standing here with her, or our hands together, embraced by the warm afternoon sun set against us.
Shall we go into town?
As expected, we're going into the city. Despite being a fun trip, I wish I had the chance to do more with her. Regardless, around here there aren't many opportunities for outing other than the city. Still, complaining isn't of good virtue. I'll have plenty of chances to spend time with her as life itself steams ahead. A summer trip would be fun if I'm patient to wait for it. Seeing her in her swimsuit would be nice. Yeah, fam, that's what I'm talking about. You need to say that. Oh my god, bro.
Wow.
Zoning out is never a good idea. Yeah, that'd be great. Curling her lips up into a delicate smile, it's enough to make my own emotions flourish as a smile of my own. After meeting her, I've really become a different person. But it's the person I've always dreamt of being. Yeah, it's not being. Ugh. With Siri at my side, the pair of us stand in wonder at the world around us. People moving in each and every direction, heading on with their daily lives. It shouldn't be surprising, but even for us, seeing so many people in one place is still a bit of a shock. One day maybe we'll be in the very positions, moving forward together towards the future as our relationship continues to bloom. But still, two ordinary people to any passers-by.
Well, we're here.
The situation we find ourselves into isn't all that surprising either. Both of us at odds as to what we want to do together. An entire city around us, an entire world to explore, but still, just as content standing together here as one. I'm glad this was the girl that caught my heart. How about we go for a walk? The very same thing we did together just only a month ago that had brought us this close. A walk. A walk through the city. Together. I could enjoy browsing the library just as much, window shopping, or even spending time at a cafe. Being here with her, though, having the opportunity to do something so meaningful again, is what I choose to do. To go back to that place at where we finally connected, where we told each other how we felt and the world around us too.
Sure. I'd love that.
Taking my hand once again, Sari looks upwards with that very same faint smile, my own reflection crystal clear in her hazel eyes. When she looks at me, I wonder what she sees. For me, seeing her, the thing within my eyes, is the person I've always been looking for.
Here we are.
Arriving beneath this very same set of trees, the very same view as before. The two of us stand almost as statues, whilst various couples walk on by together. I guess now we really do blend in with them. This place has always been known as the date spot. Even now, that still holds true. Here I am with Seri on a date. You're not going to confess to me again, are you?
What? You know, I
I love you, Seri. Please marry me. Oh my god! Are you freaking serious?
Isn't it a bit too early for that? We haven't even...
I was just practicing. Oh my god. Carried by a slight laugh, my teasing falls upon deaf ears. Seri, oddly enough, still stands by my side with a stoic look engraved upon her face by her features. Eyes directed towards the ground, lips firmly flat, almost frowning even. Still against the passing autumn breeze, hair ruffling about as it gently strokes the skin of her cheeks. Seri remains almost motionless, a fragment of time. It'd be hard pressed to find something that wasn't wrong in the scene before me. Are you sure you're alright? You've been acting a little weird all day.
It's just strange, you know? That so much has happened in the last month.
Really, I couldn't agree with her more.
You really mean a lot to me.
Peering once again towards me, Seri's face carries a look of sincerity, enough to pierce through my heart like a dagger. If I had any doubts, which I don't, one look at her would be more than enough to prove how she really feels. You mean a lot to me, Seri, too. I don't think you need me to tell you that. It'd be wrong if I didn't tell her that I feel the same.
But it's nice, isn't it?
She's right. Stuck by a lone gust of wind, Seri's braids sway almost diligently in the breeze, as if they were trying to make her look any more beautiful in this moment. Our date almost looming to an end, despite us not really doing anything, but what we did do was important to us. Staring at the sky above, I watch as the sun dawns closer towards the horizon. Going on a date straight after school really cuts down our time here. Coming here again would be nice. It's getting late. Almost out of instincts, Seri places her hand in mine once again and gently squeezes, her warmth distinct against the cold autumn air.
We should head home then.
Despite finding herself flustered over these sorts of things, it doesn't stop her from enjoying that feeling. The feeling of being close, it's something I can enjoy too. Strolling down the street, the cool autumn air sent chills across me as I walk hand in hand with Seri, returning home from our date. At times like these, it's really hard not to appreciate the wonders of life, the what-if scenario we so truly love to come up with as people. What if Seri didn't drop her library card on the way to school? What if I didn't leave for school early that day? What if she met someone else? It's hard not to find yourself depressed, mulling over such topics. However, as we move along, I know heartfully that things work in the end for the both of us.
Are you cold? Perhaps we should have dinner.
What were you thinking? I'm happily have some more of your dad's cooking.
Well, I want to see your house for a change.
Whoa! Fam! What is going on? Look at that fucking smile. Oh my god. Curling her lips into a complacent grin. Sari's smug side shines through her usual timid personality. For her, it's an innocent suggestion, going to see her boyfriend's house. However, I'm privy to the world beyond those doors, and I know for a fact, taking her there would not end well. With a distinct gulp, I brace every ounce of my body to respond to her inquisition. It'd be mean to bluntly reject her idea, but there must be something. But there must be something I can do to stop us going in that direction. You sure? My mother is not a good cook. That's a lie, but hopefully it'll throw her off the topic.
That's okay.
Oh my
I
gee.
just wanted to see what it's like. Isn't that fine?
Yes, it's fine. In the end, with her cute expression held dead straight against my own eyes, I can't turn her down. Whatever happens, it's not my fault, right? All I have to do is introduce her to my family. It's not that much of a problem. So guys, that'll be it for this freaking episode. My god, this is progressing so quick. Bro, she wants to visit my house. Oi, do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? I'm just kidding. So guys, if you like this video, just smash that like button, subscribe to become a spark, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join our freaking Discord group. It's called The Dawn. We already have about 100 members, and it would be nice to kind of talk with your own fans. So yeah, I would love that. And as always guys, stay hot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.